Good afternoon to everyone. I hope you had a very effective and productive working week. Today, I just want to talk briefly about the issue of risk that is commonly mentioned in most people when they say Forex trading is risky. And I'm also going to touch briefly on how you can manage that risk. Every investment instrument is risky, but there are ways that if properly done, you can manage that risk. So definitely one of the things that you need to do is you need to do your homework. Master the skill, get the skill, so that when you trade, you know exactly what you are doing. Don't just rush to go into Forex trading without acquiring the necessary skill. And taking time to understand the basics and the fundamentals of Forex trading, that is key. Secondly, what you need to do is you also need to find a reputable broker. Not all the brokers out there are there to make sure that you win. Some of the brokers are working against you. So one of the things that you need to be able to do is to find a reliable and reputable Forex broker who you can put your trading money with, and he's reliable, and you are sure that those people are not working against you to make sure that you lose money. That's the second part. The third part is what you need to do is you need to protect your trading account. What do I mean by that? By protecting your trading account, I'm talking about there are various things that you can use to make sure that you protect your trading account and you don't lose money. Or if you do, you lose at least small amounts that are not painful, but you are still in the game. That is the main thing. You don't want to lose all the money and end up being out of the game. So what you do is you can use things here like your stop losses, like your trailing stops, like looking at your profits. Those are some of the things that you can do. I'm not going to go into the detail. I'm just hitting the highlights of some of the things that you can do here, so that you know exactly, just briefly or high level, how you are able to protect your money in Forex trading. You also need to do a lot of practice or back testing on a demo account before you go live. It is critical that you find your strategy, refine your trading strategy on a demo account before you start trading with real money, live money. Because with that, you are gaining the understanding, you are applying different strategies, you are trying out different things to see what works. That is very critical. If you do that, you maximize the chances of you winning when you are actually now trading with real money. The major shortfall, the major mistake that most people do is to rush to trade with live money without trying or testing your strategies, without your testing your understanding with a demo account. So it's always critical whether to play on the demo 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. It's acceptable because you're trying to see what works and what current pairs works for you, and the different things, dynamics, understanding the different dynamics and changing different variables so that you're able, when you go to the live account, you already know what works for you. It's critical. Then what you also need to do is you need to use a reasonable leverage to your account, trading account, and also make sure that your lot sizes are also meaningful, or they are proportionate to the amount that is in your trading account. What you also need to understand is trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's going to take a bit of time. So be in for the long term. Start to make returns of 5%, 3% when you start off per day. If you can do that, you are then able to elevate that to 10% or more over time as their skill accumulates. So these things are very critical and they need to be understood, because without understanding these things, this is why most people end up saying trading is risky. Yes, it's risky, but if you use some of the things that I've mentioned in this video, it's going to help you and help you increase your chances of winning than losing in forex trading. Lastly, sound money management is critical. You need to use, or you need to know how to manage money in your trading account. If you do that, you are going to increase your chances of winning in forex trading. So hopefully on a Friday afternoon, the little advice that I've given will help traders lift their game to the next level. But for those who are interested in knowing how I'm helping many to trade and mentoring people to trade and getting some very good returns in a short period of time, you can leave your link below, or your WhatsApp number below, and I'll be able to get back to you, or personally inbox me and I'll be able to take the discussion to the next level. But we are helping many using the various strategies that I've referred to above, just helping them at least to be in the game and to make sure that they stay in the game for longer, not necessarily having to lose your money all the time and having to fund your account. So should you be interested in knowing more, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll be able to help you like we are helping many around the country to make sure that they are able to trade and trade profitably and without having to blow their accounts. Have a blessed weekend, and God bless.